Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new around here, I'm Shelly and I love to cook real food recipes. You can find more of my recipes on my website over at artformytable.com. And if you love recipes and kitchen hacks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Well, it's officially summer around here, and today we're making one of my favorite summertime desserts, strawberry shortcake. Strawberry season is so short around here, we eat our weight's worth and then we just freeze the rest so that we can enjoy them all year long. I have a family secret to the easiest shortcake ever. It was my aunt that first taught me this, and ever since I tried it, I was sold. Typically, a shortcake is a light and airy sponge cake. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but in our family, we use drop biscuits. These buttery biscuits are crisp on the outside and they're tender and fluffy on the inside. They're absolutely heavenly, and the best part is they're made with just a few pantry staples. We smother the biscuits in strawberry sauce and top them with homemade whipped cream. It's delightful and the perfect summer dessert. To get started, preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Before we start on the biscuits, we're going to prep the strawberries. So give them a good rinse and then take off the stems. You can do this with a paring knife or a strawberry hull or even a straw if you'd like. I just use a paring knife, it's simple. Once you've done that, put all the strawberries in a bowl and sprinkle some sugar on them and set them aside. I like to use just a couple tablespoons, but you can use up to a quarter cup if you like them super sweet. To make the biscuits, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of butter, and 1 cup of milk. Put all the dry ingredients into a bowl and then cut in the butter. Here's an Art for My Table pro tip. You can use your stand mixer to cut the butter in. Just use the paddle attachment and let it do all the work for you. Now, if you don't have a stand mixer, no big deal. You can use a pastry blender or even a fork. The mixture should resemble coarse crumbs. Make a well in the center of your dry mixture and pour in the milk. You want to stir it just until the dough comes together. Drop biscuits require no kneading or rolling, which is one of the reasons I love them. So at this point, using a spoon, just drop the biscuits onto a lightly greased baking sheet. I'm using a silicone mat, so no greasing is required. You'll just bake these for 10 to 12 minutes. While those are in the oven, we'll finish the strawberry sauce. Using a potato masher, just gently smush the berries until a nice sauce is formed. For the whipped cream, I like to use my stand mixer with a whisk attachment, but you could also use a hand mixer. Pour 1 cup of heavy cream into the bowl, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat the mixture on high until peaks form. Now it's time to put it all together. And there is your perfect summer dessert. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.